اقرأ أخيا ورتل القرآن اصبح بصوتك اسمع الأكوان اقرأ كلام الله داوي نفوسنا لنحس في أعماقنا الإيمان من فؤاد كالحجارة قسوة.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful. You can see this picture. She have gun in her hand and she have kids. Think about it. If kids, they saw mother like gun and nude, like what their minds go. This is all this is the judgment day before. Man and woman, they're going worse. That's why I show this. They have to be think for kids. They don't have to be hold guns. In America says ban guns and they want to be sure. That's why people killing everywhere in the world and without reason, without religion. They didn't ask in Africa what's going on. California, 4 people died, someone killed. This is gunman rampage. This is the 80s Night Stalker, they call. He killed 18, I think. Serial killer. My pain, man is not understand hereafter life. Yesterday I spoke with Mormon people. They wear, kids, young kids, they come on the streets, they walk and they give some, missionary work like message and Mormon religion. Mormon religion in America 200 years and they believe they have book 6,000 years old. But 210 countries Mormon religion people don't know. But they proudly say, oh, we have very good religion. So 11 people on the street, my home near, my neighbor, I walked, I saw some, guys with children's parents and, the 2 guys, missionary guys, they're walking and they're talking. So I involved. I just went inside. Whatever they're talking, I interrupt that. I say, okay, you believe Jesus, right? Why Jehovah people says God is unseen, spiritualism? And why the Coptic Christian, Allah and God have son? So these, both Allah and Jehovah is unseen and both they say God have son. So they didn't show son since 2000 years. They just believe. So Mormons say, no, Jesus is God. Like we believe like that, son like. So I asked him, the Mormon guy who the missionary guys came outside. I asked him, so okay, tell me, Jesus' grandfather name. He says, I don't know. So 11 people, I told everybody, shame on your Christianity. 19% I can challenge Christians. They don't read Mormon or they don't read Bible, they don't read, Danitic book. They have many different books today too. They don't read because they think Muslims is a lower, like they Christians superior, like they think. So Mormon people, they don't know Jesus' grandfather, mother side. So I told, His name is Imran. So he giving me, you can talk with our people. This is the shaitan. He don't know Jesus history and he wants to talk with me. So he don't have knowledge, lack of knowledge. I want to be explained what is the message Jesus brought in this earth for children of Israel. And I want to be said to him, he sleep like us. 28 years he was in this earth. He sleep like us. He eat like us. He went bathroom like us. He act all human like. No extraordinary. He have some magic powers like, or Superman, Batman, like, he fly, or he can create mosquito. No. They just left. Immediately, one by one, say, okay. One lady, she wants to be, shake hand with me. The white lady, young girl. I said, sorry, I respect Jewish and Christians, but my religion said don't shake hand with women because the sex come in our minds. If we shake hand or hug or kiss, we don't want that, I said. So they left everybody. Think about who hold this life then. Jesus came, gone. Muhammad came, Prophet, peace be upon all of them. And Quran message is the last revelation. And today we need, very powerful prophet in this earth like today. But Quran, final message and final warning and final prophet. So we have, controversy, Christians and Muslim. Whatever Christians says, whatever they believe, Islam have completely different. Okay, my message for my Muslim brothers, Christians, today they make one Quran and they put it on the cover, on the top, on the cover, like, they put it on the cover, pictures, Prophet's pictures. Think about, this is not the Muslims, this is evil mind Christians. We not, believe movies or cartoons or pictures, our prophets. So this Christian, he says in YouTube, he wants to say he's a Muslim, like, and his name is Usama, like that, So he don't know the Muslim names also. So famous name is Usama bin Laden, like he put it in Usama name, and he don't know Muslims read only Quran come from Saudi Arabia. But this book, he said, Pictal or usually or some other, whoever they translate Quran, they have, grammatical mistakes. I swear, Christians, American, they don't know English. Britishers know the English better, poetry like British, create this language 400 years ago, and British rule in my country. Yusuf Ali or Pictal, they, my Indian guys, and they know the English better than Americans. Still, my challenge for go and check, Indian speak very good English. That's why spelling, Indians come first in America every time. This time also spelling, 99% all spelling competition only Indians, and 3 first, second, third prizes win only Indians. So this guy is a shaitan, and he said some grammatical mistakes in Quran. That's why we make this new, and he put a picture on the top in the Quran. Beware, oh my Muslims, don't read like this, and don't give anybody also. Some of them, whoever they wants to be find Islam, if they touch this, and definitely they want to be say, God have son like. I know in America, 25 years ago, Same Jehovah Witness people, Surah Mominun, they translate over there, God have son like in the Quran. These translations, we can take out within a day, within a second, because we memorize Holy Quran. Millions a day, millions in the world. And since 1400 years, only this book memorized. Whoever they don't know Islam, they wants to play game with us. So beware, oh my Muslims, don't touch this Quran. This is translation. Even they make Al Furqan also. That is a Injil. This is Gospel, and this is Old Testament, New Testament. These all is a garbage. Quran is a miracle book. Quran, Allah protect. And today you can see in the whole world, you just go and check every holy book in this earth, but they don't have any representative. Every, literature are, you can say, man-made books, and they don't have any ambassador. They don't have any, to protect these books like, or they can show the miracles like. No one come in this earth, come from sky, or they don't have aliens, they don't have angels, they don't have any God. He come in this earth around humanity, and he can say, I am God. All books you can throw in the ocean. No one do like this. Only Islam showing there is no God except Allah. Muhammad is the last messenger. We challenging, proclaiming God unseen, alone, and eternal. You can't see God. This is the God. If you submit your will, you get the benefit. 5 times we proclaiming in the whole world, every single second. And this book, Quran, whoever they're reading, all they come from Saudi Arabia, Makkah, Medina, and they print over there, and they check everything, and they make sure, then they distribute. Distribution is a very, even in India and Lahore or Karachi or in Hyderabad or Delhi, all they check scholars also. So my point is, my Muslim brothers, these guys, they make some thing wrong, like this is not the Quran, and they want to be they want to be show God have son, like they want to be show Jesus is God, like they want to be show Holy Father and Son, they want to be show incarnation, spiritually son, like they want to be show all this garbage. But we says God is Allah, unseen, alone, and eternal. And these books, whoever they're reading, Allah save, Allah protect. Quran He challenge till the judgment day, and Allah protect definitely. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.